then my crack, and then my butthole, and then...
Where's my ponytail holder thing?
Here, have
Wait.
My neck.
WTF.
My back.
Oh! How do you get Sammy to make sex noises? Punch him in the balls 3 times. He's like, ah!
Hello. You almost started rapping me. You sound like you have a smoker's cough.
Oh wait, it's been recording.
You're getting up in my butt.
It's a sombrero. Olay.
No.
Fine. Then cover your face.
No!
Ah. 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 She's gonna put up. There we go. Okay, now this. She's the blob.
I'm your pussy.
I'm proud and fuzzy.
I'm about to get really red.
It's called your swag.
It's the way you turn me on.
I'm gonna have the weirdest YouTube channel in the history of the world. Hey, look, it's Sammy holding a sombrero in front of his. Ah. Get the sombrero.
I know you see me standing here.
Do I look good, my dear?
You look good today.
No.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna end this before people think we're freaks.
We are.
That's true. Bye.